If you want to get rid of quick ad on Snapchat, it's easy to do. Quick ads is a feature that suggests friends that you might know based on your contacts and mutual friends. Sometimes you might not want people to see you in quick ad, and that's perfectly fine. Here's how to turn it off step by step. All right. So first, open the Snapchat app on your phone, and when you're in the app, look for your profile. You can find your profile by tapping on your Bitmoji or the silhouette in the top left corner of the screen. So once you tap that, you'll be taken to your profile page. All right. Next, look for the settings gear icon. In the top right corner of your profile page, tap that icon to open the settings. So it's the settings menu. Now scroll down until you see a section called Who Can. All right. This section has different privacy options. So in that section, tap on See Me in Quick Ad. You'll see an option to toggle it off. Just switch that option off, and now people won't see you in their quick ad suggestions anymore. Remember, you can also explore other privacy settings in this menu to control who can contact you or see your stories. This way, you can enjoy using Snapchat in a way that feels comfortable for you. All right?